Hey everyone, happy Saturday and welcome back. We're taking a quick little break from our London series today because, well, summer is officially here. The kids literally just wrapped up their last day of school yesterday, which means vacation mode is officially on. I mean, come on, we all deserve a little break right about now, don't we? So today we're taking you along for a fun, relaxing family day to kick off the summer. Grab your VR headsets, look around, and let's get into it.
Sounds like us.
And yep, I'm sure your sharp eyes already spotted that we're at the beach. Well, the Polish seaside, to be exact. We're hanging out in Świnoujście. Drop a comment below and let me know, is this your first time seeing this place? Or if you've been here before, when was your last visit? Do you notice any big changes around here? Let me know. And this is our apartment for the week. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna need about 3 minutes of privacy. But in the meantime, you guys can go ahead and check out the view.
Let's see. Special system.
That's right. Oh, probably for... No, it's not. That way.
We are right next to the Hilton.
Oh, nice.
I can see the water.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta say, not too bad.
Lambo Urus.
Yep. Oh yes, I can definitely hear the seagulls.
Oh, so cold.
What?
It's cold.
How cold? You're on the seaside. Summertime. The holiday.
Summertime, let's see, summertime 20 degrees.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, I feel like I owe you guys a little explanation. We are in Świnoujście, a super popular Polish resort town right on the German border. It's actually famous for having the widest beach in Poland and a really charming historic promenade. The weather isn't exactly spoiling us just yet. It's about 20 degrees Celsius, which is around 68 degrees Fahrenheit, but we know it's supposed to warm up big time starting tomorrow, so we'll definitely be taking you guys out to the beach. We're staying at the Baltic Park Fort, which is a complex of 4 buildings right by the promenade and front row to the beach. You know how we do it. It's a family tradition that whenever we arrive at the beach or the ocean, we absolutely have to head out for a first evening walk on the shore. Plus, we're pretty starving, so we'll definitely grab a bite to eat. But in the meantime, we're just gonna let you immerse yourself for a bit and soak up the whole vibe of this seaside.
Now.
Now?
Yes.
Nah, later.
Now, yes.
In the
Have time.
restaurant.
No, now.
Okay. No, so we can put this and make a... Okay. Pull the tab. When the tab breaks, that means it's probably Podrovka.
There's no tag. I want to get this one.
Just open it and see which one you get. You might get the mystery one. Because here there are only like 3 ones.
No, it's very rare because the The mystery ones are like one from 72.
I don't care, open it.
Yep, your eyes aren't deceiving you. That is exactly how Hannah spends her money from grandma. Yet, another Labubu has officially joined our collection, but don't worry about that. Just kick back on the bench and feel like you're actually sitting right here on the promenade by the Polish seaside. The weather is perfect, not too hot. Shorts and a t-shirt are definitely enough, unless you're from a warmer climate, in which case throwing on something a little warmer wouldn't hurt. As you can see, we are in a classic seaside resort town. It's full of relaxed tourists, endless ways to spend your hard-earned money on snacks and souvenirs, street performers, and caricature or portrait artists everywhere you look. Back in the 90s, this was actually one of the few places in Poland where the locals lived really well, all thanks to the non-stop influx of tourists, especially from Germany. Other beach towns just didn't have Świnoujście's luck of being right next door to our wealthy neighbors at the time. We actually have an uncle in the family who moved out here back then looking for a better life, and I gotta say, they totally nailed it. They did really well for themselves and live pretty comfortably now.
You can get a kebab one.
Alright, it's time to get some food. Since Simon's son doesn't live in Poland and is just spending his summer vacation with us, it's the perfect time to introduce him to a true Polish seaside specialty, the Zapiekanka. It's basically a toasted French baguette loaded with toppings like ham, mushrooms and cheese, all melted to perfection in a broiler. Over the last 45 years, this iconic snack has evolved into so many different versions that it's practically impossible to list all the toppings and options you can get today.
And you're still zero. Somehow.
Oh my god.
Podróbka.
While for some it's a brand new experience, for us it's the ultimate taste of childhood. It takes us back to a time before we had easy access to hamburgers, pizza, sushi, or any of those popular Asian flavors. And now, with our bellies full, I think we are officially ready for our first beach walk of the year.
You guys are ready for this? First walk on the beach.
Hell nah.
Hell no.
You're not?
Nah.
You gotta be ready.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It was impossible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. We are officially in full-on vacation mode. In the next episode, we're definitely taking you along to the beach, hitting up that water park, and checking out a few more local attractions, plus you can definitely count on plenty of beautiful views of the Polish seaside. Let me know in the comments below what your vacation plans look like for this year. Thanks for watching and see you next Saturday. Bye!